Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So today's video, I'm very excited because I have got my FabFitFun Winter 2021, and I'll just tell you, it got here really fast. So I am, if you watched my videos before, you know that I am an annual subscriber for FabFitFun. I'm not a partner. I do pay for my box. I do purchase the annual subscription, and that means I get to make my selections 2 weeks earlier than seasonal subscribers, and also I get to choose all of my choices. So seasonal subscribers, I think, only get to choose the first 3 or maybe 4, but then the last couple choices are made for them. But annual subscribers get to choose all their, make all their choices. So I love that. I have been very happy with FabFitFun. Some boxes are better than others, but I will tell you, Winter 2021 is really great. So let's get into it. Now, before we get started, I want to say that I always watch the spoilers. So there are a lot of YouTubers that are partners with FabFitFun, and I watch all of the spoilers because I watch those videos to make, to see what I want to choose. And one of the things that I noticed this season was a lot of the choices that they had, or the items that they had, were not even choices for me. And they all disclosed it. I'm sure that FabFitFun asked them to disclose that due to limited supply, what's going on in the world, that the choices may be different and that they would probably substitute. And I did see that. And I'm kind of even curious to see what the choices were for the seasonal subscribers, because I know when I was making my selections that some of the items sold out literally while I was making my selections. So let's go ahead and look at what my choices were for choice 1. Now, choice 1 is one that all subscribers get to choose. Either it's seasonal or annual subscribers. And here were my choices. The Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum, Herschel Supply Company Mica Tote, Mark & Graham Wine Opener, Unhide Little Marsh Blanket in Charcoal, Silver, or Rose, Short Stories Travel Blanket Ruby Wine, or Short Stories LED Indoor Planter. And I chose the Unhide Marshmallow Blanket. I've seen this. This has been a choice before, but I've never chosen it. And every single YouTuber that has a FabFitFun has chosen this and have raved about this blanket. And many people have said how much they love it. And I have to say, I'm surprised I haven't gotten it before. It's actually really soft. I have not opened it yet, so I plan on opening it soon. Actually, let me open it now. Okay, so here is the blanket. And I have to say, it's pretty amazing. This is really nice quality. I chose the charcoal mainly because it's going to be the easiest one to look like it's clean. Maybe not to keep clean, but it will look like it's clean. But it's amazing. I live in South Florida, but my husband does love the house to be very cold. So yeah, I'm really excited I got this, and I can see why so many people rave about it. Okay, so for choice 2, again, everybody gets to choose. Seasonal, annual subscriber, everyone gets to choose. Here are my choices. The Glow by Day Pacific Dream Duo Set, Glamnetic Virgo Magnetic Eyelashes, the Sur La Table 4-piece silicone utensil set in gray or in red, the Bright Angle Elixir Olive Oil Bottle in white, Our Place Layered Lunch Box with clips and utensils, Lily Pulitzer Ceramic Mug Set of 2, or the Short Stories Black and White 3-bowl set. And I chose the Glamnetic lashes. I have talked about these before. I absolutely love them. I think they're fantastic. And I've tried several different brands of magnetic lashes, and my favorite are by far the Glamnetic lashes. Also, I've tried several, like I said, I've tried several different pairs, but the lashes are great, but the liner is far superior. So I've tried the Kiss lashes, I think Allure. So I've tried a couple different brands, and the lashes are all great. I still like Glamnetic more, but the liner is really what sets apart. The Kiss liner didn't work for me at all. The Allure liner was okay. It held, but this one really has a stronger hold with, I guess, maybe more magnetics, I don't know, but it is fantastic. So I absolutely love these, and I like these because the two pairs that I have already are more dramatic. So this Virgo pair is a little more natural. You can kind of see here. So they seem to be a little bit more natural. So it gives me a little bit of a difference than the two pairs that I already own, but they're fantastic, and you can just never have too many lashes. Okay, so choice 3, again, everyone gets to choose. Here are my choices. The True and Luscious Lucky Glow Palette Volume 2, Bite Beauty Power Move Hydrating Soft Matte Lipstick, Kate Spade Rise and Shine Stud Earring Set of 2, Dr. Brandt Skincare Collagen Serum, Mason Tops Mason Jar Cocktail Shaker Kit, Michael Kors Beanie with Palm, and the Coral 1 Pound Wrist Ankle Weights. And I chose the Kate Spade earrings. So here they are right here. And then you can see right here, I am actually wearing a pair. So I'm wearing the ones with, I guess, the rhinestone, and really, really love them. And then these are the ones with the pearl. So these say they run $68. So they say the US value is $68, Canadian is $78 if I can see. So this was, again, this was the clear choice for me. I love that, you know, I do also get the Ipsy box, so I try not to get too much makeup because I like this to be something different. So this was a no-brainer. These are definitely totally up my alley. Very, very comfortable. I'm wearing them right now. I think they're just perfect. So yeah, and you know, two pairs of earrings. I think this was great. Definitely got my value worth the box. Okay, so now we're looking at choice number 4, and here are my choices. The Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfector and Heat Protectant, Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Leave-In Detangler, the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal Plus Tea Tree Scalp Treatment, Tula Skincare The Cult Classic Purifying Cleanser, or the Way of Will Slim Deep Massage Oil. And I chose the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. And that's the box. Here is the actual treatment. So it is 1 fluid ounce. And this one I was trying to torn between the leave-in treatment, definitely not the curl, because obviously I don't need the curl treatment, but I definitely wanted to choose this one. This is something I've never had before, so I don't really have a scalp treatment, but I wash my hair like maybe once every 5 or 6 days, depending on what's going on. Sometimes I'll wash it a little bit more, but I'll tend to go a little bit longer and just put my hair back. And I mean, it gets pretty oily, but at some point it starts to itch. And I'm curious to see if this will help the itching when that happens. So I'm kind of curious if that happens, this might be a good scalp treatment when, and it could just be that my hair is just really oily because it gets really dirty by the time I wash it. But I'm really kind of curious to see, and it smells pretty good. You can definitely smell the tea tree oil, but it smells really good. So yeah, I'm curious to see how this works, and I love Briogeo, great brand. So this is what I chose. Okay, so for customization number 5, here are my choices. The Va Dam Tease Recovery Sampler, the Vitamask Cranberry and Apple Sheet Mask Set, Grown Alchemist Body Cream and Mandarin Rosemary Leaf, Ipare Milk Frother, or the Cocoa Floss Tropical Trio. And I chose the Ipare Milk Frother. And this was the category, this was the one that I just kind of didn't really know what to choose. The Cocoa Floss was something that was offered before that was not in the spoilers. So I think that was kind of a replacement for something that maybe became unavailable once they launched. I Don't Need a Body Cream. The teas I almost got. I was kind of interested in the tea. Definitely don't need any sheet masks. I have more than I've ever even used. So this I decided to get. I think it's really cute. So this is the box. And the reason why I got it is because when I travel to Disney World, I'm making the coffee in our hotel room, And I like to, put, creamer in our coffee. Now at home, I usually mix it up in a blender, and I don't have that when we are at Disney World. So I figured this would be something that I can leave in my owner's locker. And you can see it actually came with batteries, which I was pretty impressed with, because usually these things don't come with batteries, but it did. And you just press it here, and I've had one of these in the past, and it works really well. So I have not used this yet, but would I have bought this on my own? No, but will I get use out of it? Absolutely. So customization number 6 is the one that changed a couple months ago. It used to be, there used to be 6, 7, and 8, and there was not a custom FabFitFun picked it for you, and then they changed it. So basically it's one customization. There could be one item, or there could be a couple bundles. So here were my choices for customization number 6. The KVD Beauty Go Big or Go Home Mascara, Summer Fridays CC Me Serum, the Avene Sensuals Aesthetica Bundle, the $1 Billion Brows 6-Piece Pro Brush Essential Set, the Lucky Brand Solid Brush Scarf, Barefoot Scientist Ben Kai Aesthetica Bundle, the Ben Kai and Vosh Bundle, the Fits Puzzles Puzzle Oasis 500 Count, Summer and Rose Ahava Aesthetica Bundle, and I chose the Lucky Brand scarf. So none of the bundles, so there was bundles that had like slippers, and I was kind of looking forward to getting the slippers, but that was not an option. So I know a lot of the YouTubers that are partners had chosen the slippers, and that's probably why they weren't available, because they just weren't an option. And I got on right when the customization opened. The $1 Billion Brows set, that was one that sold out while I was checking out. When I went to check out, I was kind of taking my time on this last one, and it said this one is no longer available, so I had to go back and make another selection, which I'm glad that at least told me that it was sold out and didn't make a selection for me, because I did choose this scarf. Now, I live in South Florida, so I really don't have a need for a scarf. However, we are headed to Disney World first week of December, and it can get cold. In the last 3 years, it has been cold at least some point of our trip, and it definitely can get cold colder at night. And I don't have a lot of scarves. Again, I live in South Florida. It's 60 degrees. I'm cold. So this is a really nice scarf. It's a really good size. And, I really can't get the whole thing on, but it is from Lucky Brand. It doesn't really have, actually the price it says is $69.50. I don't think I would pay $69.50 for this, but it is a really pretty scarf, very thick. I could see this definitely keeping me warm. If we're at night at the, one of the parks, or when we go to Fort Wilderness to do our sleigh ride, this would be great too. So I'm really glad that I got this, and I'm actually looking back on it, I'm glad that the brush scent ran out, because I would not have selected this, and I'm glad I got it. Now, if you want to see me make my selections, I'm going to put a card right here. I did a short, and that's what I've been doing for every Ipsy bag and every FabFitFun. I will try and make a short of my selections, basically just screen recording when I make my selections. And you can kind of see that up in the card and that video that I will post below. And one of the things I also want to talk about with FabFitFun that I think makes it unique and makes it beneficial to become an annual subscriber if you're going to subscribe. The reason being is, one, obviously you get to make all your selections. So you're just going to have a better luck of liking everything because you're choosing everything. So even if it's like the one with the milk frother, I'm much happier with the milk frother than I would have been with the body cream or the tea. So I'm glad even though it's not something I probably would have chosen on my own, I will get the most use out of that item. And then the other thing is, when you make your selection, you'll see that it will have a price. Like all of a sudden you click the one and it will check, and then there's prices on most, if not all, of the other items. Usually the first two, customization 1 and 2, the add-on price is $15. And then after that it's 10 and then 7. And what it does is you can actually add on. So let's say there's 2 things that you really, really want. You can actually add on for $15, $10, $7 that item. And you can get even better, a better deal. So This time, I actually did that. So I got the little marshmallow blanket. I got it in silver and in rose for $15 each. I'm going to be using those as gifts. It does limit you. You can't buy unlimited. Usually you can buy 1 or 2 of the items. It will limit it. And then some of them are not available for add-ons. But I did buy one of each of those for gifts. I bought the Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs, a set of 2. I bought those as well. I think those were $15. And then I was even able to buy an extra pair of the Glamnetic lashes for $15. And those, like I said, those lashes run about $60. So, I got them at 75% off. The Briogeo, I told you I was between the Scalp Revival and the Frizz cream. Well, I was able to add on the Frizz cream for $7. So that is one of the things that I love about FabFitFun. I pretty much did all my Christmas shopping, well, not all of it, but a lot of my Christmas shopping doing this box because I was able to add on for $7, $10, $15 some really, really great items. So that is one of the things that I love about FabFitFun. There hasn't been a box that has disappointed me. And I can say that if you watch any of my videos, BoxyCharm, I'm no longer subscribed. I canceled that. Ipsy, it's hit or miss, and lately it's been a lot more misses than hits. FabFitFun is the one box that I can say I'm consistently happy. And as they've changed it, where now I get to choose every single item, I'm even happier. So if you're between choosing a subscription box, I definitely highly recommend FabFitFun. I do also get some free, I'm able to give out free boxes. I think it's 3 every quarter, and that's every member. So every member gets an option to give a sample box. You just have to pay for the shipping and handling, and you could not have received some, one in the past or have ever been a member. There's some, criteria there, but I can give 3 every quarter. So if you're interested in trying FabFitFun and you want to receive one of these free sample boxes, and again, the shipping and handling, just DM me on Instagram. So my Instagram is below. DM me and say, hey, I'm interested in getting that, and send me your email and I will send you the link. I only get 3. So the first 3 people that contact me, will get the email and will get the box. So, and that's nothing. It's not a giveaway. It's just something that they do for every member that I'm going to offer to anybody that wants to, partake in that. Also, I have a coupon code below. And again, once it's used, it's gone. So I think I can only use it once. So whoever gets to use it. And then once I realize that it's gone, I will delete it, and then I'll see if I can find any other coupon codes. So any coupon codes I can find, I will post below as well. But, I highly recommend FabFitFun. It is my favorite subscription box. I look forward to making the selections. I look forward to getting the box, and I cannot wait to see what's going to be in spring 2022. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.